Alright, I made Jarvis. So it's supposed to work like the actual Jarvis from the movies. So it's cool, but I can't get all the features running. So right now it can help you read and reply your WhatsApp messages if it knows how, and if it doesn't know how to reply, it'll ask you what to reply and then it'll rewrite what you replied. And it can also that is actually basically it. It can also open up browser, open up folders, open up websites for you, open up apps. So it's pretty cool. Check it out. So first, I should probably show what it looks like. So because I don't want to edit any videos, so I'm just gonna show you how it's done, show you what it looks like, then I'm gonna show you how it's done. Super simple, just stick to me to the end. Right, City Friday. So you don't need to care what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it later. So I'm gonna just get this running. And let's hypothetically think that this is the other person. So this person is the person that's sending out things, and me, like the AI, is trying to help me avoid most of the things. It's gonna help me reply the things it can, and it'll ask me if it doesn't know for sure. So this page is completely controlled by the AI. You don't need to care about it. All right, so it's called Jarvis. I'm not gonna say it. All right, Jarvis, show me the Tesla stock price. So its name is Jarvis, and it's always listening, so it's always on. So to avoid activating it, we're just gonna call it Friday for now. All right, so it's open up. Jarvis, open up NVIDIA stock price. Let's just call it Friday to keep things simple. All right, should open up. Right, sorry, my pronunciation.
Could you clarify what you would like to know about video stock prices for Friday?
Oh yeah, because of the Friday thing. Yeah. Jarvis, show me the NVIDIA stock price. All right, here's the NVIDIA stock price. As you can see, it's always going up. Sort of like a miracle in the NASDAQ. And right, the main feature, but that would be replying to mail. So first, you're gonna have to give him some information. Let's start like this. Jarvis, I have a meeting on Monday all day. Right, so I got that. Let's say now this person wants us to pick up this hypothetical kid, Liam. So could you pick up Liam? So first the AI will help us. Like, we don't have to answer to this nonsense. So it's a message, but it's sort of like half a message. Like what time and where. So the AI helps us ask. So Monday from his school. Of course, the AI knows that we have a meeting, so he will probably refuse this. Can't on Monday. Busy all day. Perfect. See? And the AI will also sort of reply to things that are certain. Sort of like this, like, how about, should I go fill up gas for our cars? See, this information is sort of like certain information. So it will just reply yes, and it won't. Yeah, it will inform us, but really fast. Doesn't bother you with anything. And also, the AI learns from recent chats. So if you ask him something like, do you want lobsters or pizza for dinner? So if you ask him something like if or else, it'll look through recent chats and reply, lobsters please. Exactly. All right, it can also help us send mail. So how about like this? So could you pick up Liam from school on Tuesday? Right. Let's see what it responds. Sure.
Pickup details.
What time? So 5 p.m. Right, we could also tell Friday to reply mail for us. So say Friday said yes, but we doesn't want it to be yes. So Jarvis, I can't pick up Liam on Tuesday, remember? Right, so this is our message.
Jot it down.
Right, sorry. Jarvis, tell Chen I can't pick up Liam on Tuesday. I have to visit my mom. Oh my god.
Jot it down, sir.
Right, so that works pretty fine. Now I'm gonna show you how to actually get this project running. So I'm gonna shut down Jarvis, and then once you get clone the repository, and say you put it on your desktop. So it's desktop Friday, and when you check the files inside, it should look something like this. And then, so first thing you're gonna do is, I can't even remember. Yeah, you could just look over here. So after you clone it, you're gonna start the Venvi environment. Is this it? Yeah, Venvi, and then scripts activate. Venvi activate. Right, now you have started the virtual environments. I'm gonna look over here. You're gonna cd to a file called Friday. Yes, it's also called Friday. And then you're gonna cd to integrations. And then you're gonna npm build. npm install. So this will install the bundled up node modules. That would be really nice. Yeah, it doesn't really matter, I guess. Yeah, and then you're gonna sort of node, and then you're gonna run WhatsApp bridge.js. This file allows us to use Chrome with an app. So it's sort of like AI controls this. As you can see, it is being controlled. Now, if it's your first time, you're gonna have to scan the QR code to log in. I'm not gonna do that. All right, and then we're gonna install requirements. So it'll be like pip install requirements.txt. Right, so it's installed. I'm already installed. You're gonna have to wait a while, and then you can just Python run.py. This thing activates it. Perfectly easy, really easy. All right, yeah, there's a thing I missed out. So there's this env folder you're gonna get. This env. You're gonna have to fill out your API keys, because I'm not gonna do that for you. It's expensive. So, all right, I'm gonna just show you these two keys. So this key you get from the OpenAI website, and you're gonna have to put money in. So you're gonna do it. So I'll show you. Jarvis, open up the OpenAI website. So you're gonna. This comes from there, and this one comes from Porcupine. It's free, so you just register an account, and it's free. Perfect. Now it'll open up OpenAI for me. I don't really remember where it is. I don't use OpenAI through this account. This is a little weird. I can't really find it. So API platform. Yes, go to this API platform, and then you go to pricing. No, there's a billing. One sec. Where is that? Billing? Right, I don't think I can find it. Overview? I'll just go and search in my chat history, right? So let's open AI. Right, so this will be the link. and you open this up. This is somehow always really slow. See, I have $8.9. You know what? It's only $8. I'm gonna leave this API for you if you want to copy it. It's only $8 and it's not really linked to my credit card. So here's the API key. If you want to use it, go use it. I don't care. There's only $9 left. Hope you get some of it. And that's about it. So here you get the OpenAI API and the other one. I can't ever remember the name. The Porcupine API is right here. So you just log in and then you get it. Simple as that. Right, so this will be the access key. So you use it, Porcupine. You see it's free and I have one user. So the word I created is Jarvis. So did I wake him up? One sec, I'm not sure how active this thing is. All right, I woke him up. So see, this thing is very, very precise and awesome. Yeah, as you can see, I recorded this video in one go because I don't want to edit videos. I am using a phone and it does front and back recording at the same time. So there's pretty much a lot of flaws in this video, but I don't really want to care. And also everything is on this GitHub repo, which I will paste on the YouTube page. If you like this, please leave a subscribe. I don't know, this is literally my first video. You could check out my other video. It was a vlog where we went to the ICPC. That was really nice. So to shut this down, if you don't know how to shut this down, Control and C, it ends. Also, I have actually, I wanted to build the real Jarvis when I started this project. Now it's ending, and it's not actually what I want. So hypothetically, I wanted this AI to be able to see my computer screen once every few seconds, so it can know exactly what I'm doing. So for instance, if I'm working on a programming problem, and then I'm here coding for a couple hours, then I pass, then I want the AI to congratulate me. But that's really hard to do because token wastage would be horrible, unimaginable. So this is about it. Here's a README file. You might need it. Alright, also there's a prompt.txt in case you want to change things. It's much easier for you to just change in the txt file rather than changing everything. Rather than flipping through the code and finding the actual file. This is the prompt I wrote for him, with the help of AI, of course. But if you want to change it, sort of change his way of speaking, change how long he talks, yeah, you could do that. Good luck on that. And yeah, if there's anything, leave it in the comments. Any questions, leave it in the comments. I promise I'll get back to you within 12 hours. And hope you guys enjoy the API. Yeah, and I hope I never link my actual credit card to this OpenAI account in case all my money just leaves me. $8.96. Good luck with it. I've been using this AI for the past 2 days, and together it costed me $1.04. So this is actually pretty token saving at this moment. Yeah, that's about it. I'm gonna upload this video. Jarvis, open up YouTube. And also Jarvis can open up apps. So I could be I could tell him to open up apps. Right, I shut off Jarvis already. Right, so this is the end of this video. Hope you liked it. Hope you watched to the end. If you watched to the end, thank you, and goodbye.